All right. So independence and mutually exclusive in a tree diagram. So the way that we see this in a tree diagram, we talked about a little bit in class. Maybe you remember it, maybe not. That's okay. Um, when we have our branches matching exactly, that tells us that our events are independent. It doesn't matter what we drew first. The probability of our second draw is the same thing. So here we've got 5 white, 4 red, selected such a ways that it's replaced. So it's independent because the probability is the same each time. So here's how we know it looks exactly the same. So the probability of having exactly 1 white, so that's the probability of white red or red white. So white red, 5/9, 4/9 plus 4/9 times 5/9. So that's 20 plus 20 is 40 out of 49. At least 1 white, well, that's the same as white red or red white or white white. Since I've already got these two, I'm just going to add white white, which is 25 out of 49. Oh, it's not 49. 9 times 9 is 81, not 7 times 7. Let's fix that. 81, 81, 81, so 65 out of 81. All right, so now if it's dependent, so we take the first one and we don't put it back. So our first draw, we've got 5/9 or 4/9, but our second draw, now it's changed. If I took out a white here, that means I went from 5 to 4, and there, instead of there being 9 in the bag, now there's 8. If I took out a red first, that means instead of having 4, now I've got 3 reds, and I've only got 8 in the bag, and I still have 5 whites and 8 in the bag. So this now is dependent because my branches have changed. So probability of exactly 1 white, white, red, red, white. That's going to be 5 out of 9 times 4 out of 8, or 4 out of 9 times 5 out of 8. All right, so white, white, red, red, white. We get 20 out of 72. 9 times 8. I think I did that right this time. And now at least 1 white. Same thing as before. That's going to be 20 out of 72 plus white, white, 5/9 times 4/8. That's another, oh, hey, that's not 20, that's 40. Boy, making mistakes left and right here. Okay, 40 and 20 is 60 out of 72.